no, the meal. This is breakfast. Steak and eggs, Portuguese style. So, the eggs are spiced up pretty nice. And then we make some very nice jumbo eggs like this. And some English muffins. They're sitting over there getting ready. And we do our steaks on a nice cast iron pan. Do the eggs in a non-stick. And then we serve them in this traditional clay Portuguese dish. And these are just, cooked nice, medium rare, some garlic, rosemary, and then we baste them with some butter, and then they go on here, and then the eggs come out, 3 eggs or so, and then they go right on top of the steak. And along with it, we serve the English muffin, and that's Portuguese steak and eggs. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished, as soon as I get it cooked. Hi, Jason.
Hello.
Is that your breakfast?
Yeah.
Huh? Portuguese steak and eggs? Look at that beauty. Look at that.
Incredible.
That is what it looks like when it's done, and boy, is it delicious. Bon appetit.
Lady, don't you love me? Why don't you? Why don't you? Why don't you?